Hey guys, it's Dani, and today I am back with some more food for thought. Now, a few weeks ago, I shared a video on intuitive eating and why it can feel so hard at the beginning. And we had such a great response to that video. I could see very clearly that a lot of people in the C&D fam are very intrigued, interested, curious about this topic, and or may already be on their own personal journey with intuitive eating because you guys had so many questions and comments and there was a lot of desire to learn more about it. So what I have decided to do is to do an intuitive eating series. This is going to be a 10-week series, and I am going to use this book, Intuitive Eating, as the guideline for the series. So in the book Intuitive Eating, there are 10 principles about creating a kind and healthy relationship with food and how to do that. It's like I said in my last video, to me this is the anti-dieter's approach to eating well and creating the health and the body and the relationship with food that you want without feeling crazy. So I highly recommend this book to anybody who's in that space with food, whether it's you're struggling with weight, struggling with your body, struggling with your health, or trying to reach your goals. Any type of struggle between you and your relationship with food, I think this book could benefit you. So just very quickly, the 10 principles in the book are: number 1, reject the diet mentality. Number 2, honor your hunger. Number 3, make peace with food. Number 4, challenge the food police. 5, feel your fullness. 6, discover the satisfaction factor. 7, cope with your emotions without using food. 8, respect your body. 9, exercise, feel the difference. And 10, honor your health with gentle nutrition. So those will be the 10 guiding factors that we'll be using over the next 10 weeks, okay? And these videos are gonna be shared on Tuesdays. So the series kicks off 1 week from today on Tuesday, June 5th, and figure those videos will post anywhere between 10 a.m. and noonish Eastern Standard Time, okay? So mark your calendars. It's 1 week from today, Tuesday, June 5th, we are going to be kicking off the intuitive eating series. Now, if you want to take the deep dive with me, what I would really recommend you do is pop on over to Amazon, grab the book. It's like $13 or $14. I can leave a link for you down in the description box below. And as we go through the weeks, read the chapter along with me, right? So before I come on and talk about week 1, I will have read chapter 1, and I'm gonna have all my notes. We're gonna talk about what the book has to say. I'm gonna share my own personal experiences, and I'm also gonna share my insights as a health, wellness, and weight loss coach. So we're gonna bring all that to the table. So you don't have to buy the book. You can just come to the chats and, you know, pop in the comments. But if you really wanna take that deep dive with me, grab the book, read a chapter a week with me, and we will explore together. So I'm super excited about this because I love this topic and I love learning about it and practicing it in my own life. And I'm super excited to share my insights with you guys. And I'm also very excited to learn from you guys, because when you come to the comments and you share your own personal insights, your questions, your experiences, your aha moments, that also inspires and educates me as well. So I love having this community here, and I'm really excited to do this together. So if you are excited, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Come on down to the comments below. Let me know if you have the book, if you're getting the book, if you're looking forward to kicking it off. And so I'll see you here for video number 1 on Tuesday, June 5th. Mark it on your calendars. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'm Dani Spies, and I will see you back here soon with some more food for thought.